This is the instruction video of Munsch's robotic extruders. Put oil-free compressed air with 300 liters per minute at a pressure rate of 0.4 bar to the preheating of the extruder. Connect the 5-volt DC speed control to the power box. Take the thick orange cable of the temperature controller, align the white marks of its plug and connect it to the power box. Then plug in the mains cable to 230 volts power supply. Now the internal speed controller of the power box will do a self-test, which is shown by the flushing LEDs. After having passed this test, the green LED will flash constantly. The controller display will now light up and show the main menu. Plug in the RS-232 to USB connector cable and fasten it to the controller box. Then connect the USB end of the cable to your computer or your robot control device. For doing a small test, open the software putty. Select serial and enter the port of your computer you have connected to the extruder. Enter the values speed, data bits, stop bits, parity, and flow control as shown and then click on Session. Now change the connection type to serial and click on Open. Now you can communicate with the robotic extruder. By entering according ASCII codes, you can for example start the heating procedure. The extruder is protected by a temperature tolerance of 20 degrees and a warming up time of 10 minutes. After time has exceeded and temperature is reached, the controller allows to start the engine. The extruder pulls in the welding rod by itself and you only have to feed shortly by hand if your spool got empty. The extruder has a smoothly acceleration and a smoothly deceleration. If the extruder has not been used for more than 5 minutes while being heated up, drive the engine for approximately 2 minutes to get rid of the thermally damaged material. Make sure that the welding shoe is preheated before starting the welding to get a good result. You can change the speed of the engine by changing the DC input voltage between 5 volts DC and 0.2 volts DC. You can as well change the speed by spinning the handwheel on the power box between 1 and 10. A special version of the power box is available in case a lower minimum speed is needed. This modification can also be done by one of our distributors in case it is necessary to change it later on. You can change the set melt temperature during the welding procedure by entering the according ASCII code. In addition, you can also ask the present temperature. In case the set temperature is more than 20 degrees higher than the present temperature, the engine will automatically be stopped by the controller. You can change the set hot air temperature during the welding procedure by entering the according ASCII code. In addition, you can also ask the present temperature. When you have finished your welding day, stop the heating procedure with the according ASCII code. Make sure that the compressed air keeps on for at least 5 minutes after having stopped the heating. This is important for the lifetime of the hot air heating element. Thank you for using Munsch's robotic extruders.